The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At around 1 p.m. Central Time, NASA has detected a large asteroid heading straight towards Earth. This asteroid is expected to collide with Earth in a few days. Please don't panic. Panicking won't do anything but make the situation worse. In addition, NASA has also detected that the Sun will shoot solar flares towards Earth in a few days, though this is not yet true, but NASA stated that it will impact soon. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. Yesterday, NASA was unsure if the asteroid and the solar flare will hit Earth in the next few days. Until today, NASA has stated that the asteroid and the solar flare has the high chance of impacting the Earth in the next few days. As the result of that, solar flares could wipe out signal, and as well as power. Once the asteroid makes an impact on Earth, it will generate tsunamis, earthquakes, and the explosion will block out the Sun for 15 to 20 years. All residents are strongly urged to prepare for the worst. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. An event that is about to be unfolding across the world is coming. At around 2 p.m. Eastern Time, a large solar flare is gonna impact Earth in a few minutes. As the result of that, power outage and no signal will occur, and the atmosphere and as well as the ozone layer will severely be damaged, causing the radiation from space to enter. The asteroid is about to make an impact on the other side of the world in the next few minutes, generating tsunamis, earthquakes, and a powerful shock from the explosion will occur. Right after the blast, all residents are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter immediately. Goodbye everyone. We will play the national anthem one last time.